All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Trading from Scratch, day one. Yeah, guys, it's time. I feel like there's no better structure for this channel than to just start off teaching you guys everything I know about trading. I'm not a millionaire trader, I'm not even making six figures a month, but I was able to transform my life from working a regular 9 to 5 job to, making five figures a month day trading. And I'm only 20 years old. Forget all the antics, forget all the BS you see online about people at 18 years old becoming millionaires, bro. Like, let's be for real. A lot of that stuff is fake, a lot of stuff's fabricated. A lot of them are making money off of their course, but I want to show you guys how I actually make money trading and show you guys the truth about trading, show you guys what I learned and how it all works, because it's pretty simple once you get it down. You're going to understand a lot of it is pretty much just following a process, following your rules, sticking to something, but you guys can't stick to something you guys don't know. So my goal with trading from scratch is going to be to teach you guys from 0 to 100 everything about trading and help you guys become profitable. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. So a little bit about myself. My name is Nell. I am 20 years old. I already mentioned that. I've been day trading since 2025. I've always heard about it back then in 2023 and in 2024, but it was one of those things I was like, you know what? It is what it is. I'm just going to do it one day, right? I'm just going to do it one day. And I kept putting it off for basically about 2 years. And then I remember something told me to just start. I had a previous channel too where I posted YouTube shorts and stuff like that. And I was able to stick to that for like 3 months, gain almost 1,000 subscribers, and also just get tons and tons of views at one point. So that truly gave me the motivation to say, you know what? If you can follow the same process with YouTube, dropping shorts every day, you can follow the same process and learn the skill of day trading. So that's what I told myself. And guys, I never looked back. Trading is honestly the best thing that has happened to me. My goal is to truly help you guys because it was truly hard. It was truly, truly hard in the beginning. I didn't have anyone around me that traded. I didn't know much about trading, just like you guys are probably in that same position. And I came across many YouTubers, but ultimately it was a battle. It was a lonely battle. And I just want to help you guys out because I know how it feels. I know what it's like to not know what you're doing. I know what it's like to feel like everyone's fabricated, everyone's fake. And my goal is to be real with you guys. I want to show you guys the real. I want to show you guys every single loss I take. I want to show you guys every single win I take. I want to show you guys the real downsides and the upsides to trading and how it truly is such a beautiful thing, a beautiful skill to have. Trading from scratch is going to do that for you guys. I'm not sure exactly yet if I want to incorporate psychology videos within the series, but I do psychology videos anyway. I do videos about success and just mindset anyway. I already have like 2 or 3 videos on that, so you could tap into the channel right there. But this may be the first video you're seeing from me. Yeah, started day trading in 2025. I just learned. I watched the TGR boot camp for about 3 months, and I started paper trading as I was watching it. And then I bought my first funded account. I blew that. Bought a second one, blew that. It was a lot, guys. I went through it all. I went through everything you can imagine. I went through losing streaks. I went through downsides. I went through dealing with bank account at negative. Bro, last $50. Bought my last account, all types of stuff. I went to trade school to become an electrician. I did that. I had a job. I quit. Bro, my story is crazy, y'all. So stay tuned. This is not a story video. There will be one eventually, but just understand my story is crazy. And I've been through anything you guys could imagine. So just take that as a motivation. Let this video push you. Maybe the first video officially on it'll probably be on like candlesticks or whatever, but maybe that won't drop for the next 2 days. But just listen to this. Just be motivated. Start looking into trading. Be prepared for this course because this is truly going to change your life. This is truly going to bring you from, if you're in poverty, to success. This is truly going to help you. This is truly going to help you have confidence in life. This is truly going to change who you are as a person for the better. And it's going to be hard, but my goal is to make it less difficult for you guys. My goal is to truly help you guys because trading is extremely hard. I'm literally going to show you guys everything I know and help you guys throughout the whole journey. So hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are well, right? But yeah, take care of yourself, take care of your mental, take care of your finances, everything. And stay tuned because this is going to be a very good series. So I'll see you guys when I see you. I'm going to try to drop a video every other day. Only reason why is because I'm still going to incorporate regular videos between that. But if you guys are like, yo, just drop a video every day, then I will fully commit to this. So just let me know what you guys want. And yeah, it's time for history, bro. It's time to really build my channel up. This is going to be the foundation of my channel. This is what I want to be known for. My goal is to help you guys, because that's what I was put here on this earth to do, is to motivate and to help people in their situation. So let's get it, y'all. I'm excited. Further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next one for the first official educational video. It's not going to be too fancy editing. It's not going to be any of that, bro. It's going to be basically raw videos, straight to the point. Straight to the point, bro, because that's all that matters, is learning these things. It's not about the fancy edits. It's not about the fancy music. It's not about all these different things. It's not about flashing all these cars and jewelry and all these things, bro. None of that does anything for anyone but make them feel bad. And I know that. I know that's how you guys feel, bro. Makes you feel bad. Makes you feel worse. You're like, dang, 20-year-old bro got a Lamborghini, bro. Telling you, bro. But it's possible. I'm not saying it's not possible, but just understand that that's not who I want to be. I want to be the real person. I want to be the person that I feel like I'm on FaceTime with y'all. Like right now, I'm just talking to the camera, bro. Talking to you guys how I talk to my friends. Feel me? Like that's how it's supposed to be, bro. No hierarchies here. I'm not better than no one. But I was able to change my life at 20 years old. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it. All right, y'all. God bless you guys. And yeah, stay tuned. Turn post notifications on. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the first video. All right, y'all. I'm actually out. Peace.